I heard someone pick some of the same names, Apple, Microsoft, NVIDIA, also had Tesla and Palantir in there. I'm not implying that those are your picks, but I've heard people saying that these names have been beaten down. It's time to get into some tech. Some of it maybe could be contingent on what the Fed does or doesn't do, or no?
Right. So those two names, again, we like those names, but you really have to have the stomach for it. This is someone to invest in has to be a really aggressive client. We get the story of Tesla, the sum of the parts are greater than the whole, but we also know that Musk has done a pretty good job alienating about 50% of the community that would buy their cars. So again, it really has to be all the charging station, it has to be other businesses that they have to make up for the growth of robotics and so forth. But you have to have the stomach for it. We have a lot of clients that don't have the stomach for a stock like that. And Palantir, I mean, great, the numbers have been great. They're beating numbers, estimates, and so forth. But that's been the poster child of the great growth we had this year up until middle of February. And it's also been a poster child to take profits as well. I think they know what they're doing over there. They've been in AI before. We even called it AI with government contracts, now commercial contracts. But again, you really need the stomach. That's why I picked out Microsoft, NVIDIA, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Apple as those companies with big balance sheets and probably a better bet right now at the moment than go up the scale of risk right now, which Tesla and Palantir would go quite a bit up the risk where we are.